If you're struggling with consistency, having a daily report card and creating a trading plan for the day ahead is gonna help you in your trading. It's gonna help you excel, it's gonna help you with the consistency, and in general, if you want to take trading seriously, you really should have one. Yes, that's me. I have helped dozens of traders for the past 5 years. I have a private network, I have a free newsletter, I do one-on-one sessions. These are my stats, everything is verified. All the links are in the bio. You want to learn more about me, just go and check them out. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe and comment. So in this video I'm gonna explain to you what exactly do I do. So this is the daily report card. It's available in the description. If you want to go ahead, download it, go ahead. So pretty much every single day I come in and I feel this thing. First of all, I'm gonna have a goal. I'm gonna write it down. I'm gonna have a grade after I finish with the day. Wins, losses, total risk reward, note for tomorrow. Pretty much my daily routine consists of the following things. Every single day when I trade, I like to listen to classical music because it helps me stay focused, calm, collected, and it puts me into flow. I like to do breath work as well, which helps me with my pretty much the blood flow throughout the body. It's proven by science, so go ahead and you can look into different breath works what you can do. I recommend the Wim Hof method. It's gonna help you to clarify your thoughts as well. So every single week I have a weekly plan preparation. I do it usually on Monday or Sunday, depends. And then for cryptocurrency, this is what I do. I like to look at the dollar, I like to look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, Nasdaq, ES, CoinGlass and ExoCharts. So pretty much every single day the routine is the following. I like to read my rules. I like to read my risk. This is available in the link in the bio, so go ahead and check them out. Then I like to read the previous day report card, commentary, mistakes, so I like to be aware of that. Then I would come in here, I would look into CoinGlass to check the funding rate. So pretty much at the moment the funding is kind of neutral, it's not going into any extremes. I like to look at the Bybit and the Binance. Pretty much the perpetuals in terms of a coin margin are more favorable because they're providing more clean order flow in my opinion. So pretty much here it's a bit below the normal funding. So this is pretty much at the moment you're in favoring of holding long positions because you're not paying that much money. As you can see here on the debit, it's neutral, so long positions here gonna get paid, and here you do pay if you hold long position, but the normal funding is about 0.1. This is the normal funding, and in a bull market pretty much this is for me is considered as a bullish sign because there's more shorts than longs. Then after this I would like to come and check the high time frame key levels on the assets. So this is a trade from yesterday, so I'm just gonna hide that for now. I'm gonna hide this as well. So pretty much in terms of high time frame levels, here we do have a daily level, but it's tapped, I'm not gonna mark it out. Here we have a daily level, it's tapped, I'm not gonna mark it out. That's tapped, I'm not gonna mark it out. So pretty much at the moment in terms of a high time frame key levels, that's not much to be honest. You know, just talking about horizontal levels. So after that is checked, same applies for the DXY, right? So this is tapped, that's tapped. We have a daily level here which can get tapped today, so I'm gonna mark this one out. Okay, so this is gonna be a key horizontal level for today. Pretty much you can check the previous day, week and month levels. I like to do this on the stock market. So pretty much I always mark out the previous week and the previous month levels on the stock market, on Nasdaq and ES, but because I'm always on the charts I pretty much know them perfectly. So even on ExoCharts I can see them at that time that happened. So I don't have to necessarily do that on Bitcoin. I would like to see the poor highs and the poor lows. So coming into ExoCharts, I like to look at the daily TPO. So pretty much if we have a poor high or poor low being left. So at the moment we have a poor high for the day. Yesterday's auction was pretty much finished, 4 blocks, well done. The high is good as well. Pretty much these highs here, they're pretty bad. So I would encompass us going back and taking them out. So after I have checked that, I would like to look at the single prints, if any single prints are being left. So pretty much yesterday, after I took this long from over here, I was pretty much targeting these single prints, which can, maybe they'll get filled today. We'll see how that plays out. And I would look at the ranges as well. So in terms of ranges, so pretty much I always come out of the high time frame picture, right? So pretty much at the moment, this is the range we have. Okay, so this is the range. If we take a look at the volume profile fixed range, that this is the range. So you clearly have a very well defined range: high, low, high, mid, high, low, mid. So you always want to look at the picture as well on the high time frame, then you want to come into the lower time frames. So pretty much into the lower time frames, we have a range which is being formed over here. We have a current range which is being formed, so we can look into that, and we can look at the one above. Then after this, I would like to fill out the context in 15 minutes. So this is the way I do it. So on the 4-hour context, this is the way I would fill it out. So range bound, anticipating a move to the higher end of the medium time frame range. And on the 15 minutes, then if we move into the 15 minutes and we take a look at that, we just come into that. So on the 15 minutes, you pretty much absolutely range bound, but you have put in a significant low, a significant high. Maybe this will get swept, but I would like to see a further continuation. Any move down below 62,700 would invalidate that theory. But on the 15 minutes, you're pretty much, so this is the market structure: high, low, high, high, low, high, high. We're looking for high, low, and a high, high. So on the 15 minute, I would like to put in uptrending. Then I will do the same thing for the legacy market as well. I'm not gonna go in depth into that. And here's when the plan comes into play, right? So the way I do the plans. So let me come back into ExoCharts. So I like to look at all these templates that I have. So on the 15 minute, down here we saw an exhibit amount of shorts aping into the market, which ended up as pretty much a short squeeze higher. We can see the increase in the open interest as we go down, and then we see the decrease as we squeeze them up. So at the moment we're kind of consolidating into the previous day view up. Maybe if I pull into this template, it's gonna get more clear. Oh, I also like to look every single day at the events which gonna happen throughout the day. So pretty much at the moment, there's not much going on. Yesterday we had a very important event, the GDP. A lot of people put importance into this, by the way, but every single year on April you kind of miss that. So if we come into the data all the way back to 2013, it's a miss, right? So let me just show you quickly. Miss, 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 and pretty much only 2018 was all right. 2018, yeah, you got that right. He'll miss that one. That's all right. But these are the only 2 years: 2018, 2019, 2022 miss, 2023 miss, 2020 miss. So always like to look at the previous state of the events. So pretty much at the moment, if we look at the footprint, if we move into the 15-minute time frame, I'll just show quickly. So pretty much the previous day view up close, held the support, but overall, in terms of order flow, here we had some longs coming in, got stopped out here. So the plan for today would be the following. Coming back here, so we need to generate a long idea and a short idea, right? So since we have these single prints up here, you know, we have this block of single prints. So what I would do, I would wait for price to come into that area and potentially form some kind of a swing failure pattern, and then look for a move back down. And essentially the short trade, which I anticipate is going to be a fill of that single print, and then, you know, just a move back down to whatever forms down here. But at the moment you do have these equal lows kind of thing. And if we look at the golden pocket, it's standing right into that. So I would like to take a long if we sweep these two in terms of a swing failure pattern, because the context is more bullish than bearish in my opinion. So I would like to take a position like this in terms of just a swing failure pattern. I would prefer if this happens during New York session, and then I would anticipate a swing failure pattern up here. Simple as that, because overall I'm expecting a higher move, but you do have like a mini range here, and maybe we're gonna form another range down here as well. I mean, that's a possibility, right? So if you take a look at the fixed range, you do have the volatile low all the way down here, and also you have the golden pocket pretty much around that area as well. So is it possible to come back down at 61.8? Yeah, it's possible, but I don't favor it at the moment because you have put in a significant low yesterday, so you don't have to go that low. Pretty much Friday, I don't expect any kind of volatility on Friday. I would prefer if we just stay range bound here for a while. So what I would do, long idea, SFP of Asia low, equal lows, sweep, and then for a short idea, SP fill, previous day high, SFP. So these are the two ideas which I generate. I'm gonna put them in, and then I'm gonna set my alerts. I'm gonna move on, do something else until the rest of the day, and then pretty much when the day ends, I'm gonna ask myself, did I follow my plan? Did I follow my risk? Am I gonna be trading tomorrow? Did I make any mistakes? What did I do great? Did I reinforce myself into something? I would rate myself in terms of trading execution, trading plan, and commentary. And this is the way I do it. This is the best way you can do it. And this is a very important thing to feel. Post-market review. This is a very important thing that you must do every single day in order to improve. So these are the same things that I do every single day. Keeping it very simple. You just need to follow these things. And if you want to learn more about me, check the links in the bio. Thank you for staying till the end of the video. Wishing you successful trading.